Welcome. If you've been using Telegram on your PC and noticed your emojis keep changing automatically while you type, you're not alone. This new update can be a bit frustrating, especially if you prefer to keep your messages exactly how you write them. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly turn off automatic emoji replacement on Telegram desktop. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on it to open the main menu. From here, find and click on Settings. This is where Telegram lets you customize your experience. Inside Settings, look for an option called Chat Settings and click on it. This section controls how your messages look and behave. Now, scroll through the chat settings until you find the option labeled Replace Emoji. Automatically. By default, this feature is usually turned on, which is why Telegram keeps changing your typed emojis into its own versions. To stop this behavior, simply toggle the option off. Once you disable it, Telegram will no longer replace your typed emojis automatically.